In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a calendar on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Calendar app, then tap right here to head over to Calendars. It will show you all the calendars here, including iCloud calendars and maybe calendars from the some app such as Gmail, and also that category which is called Other. The point is that we can share a calendar just from the iCloud box, so I'm gonna tap at that I next to default iCloud calendar. And that's where we can easily add a person to that calendar. To do that, we can tap at that plus and select a user from our contacts book. After that, to continue, we need to tap at add, and after that, the user we have selected will be added to our calendar. And obviously the users you add to your calendar will be able to see all the events and all the changes in the particular calendar. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.